Coming up in this Brightline video, this video looks at trains between West Palm Beach and Jensen Beach, Florida in late June 2024. The first stop will be in West Palm Beach for 2 trains. Now in the air, in the distance, you can see Brightline's Workshop B, their running repair facility, with the Florida East Coast Railway's West Palm Beach yard next to it. Our first train, the Orlando Health Wrap, is passing by the yard on the Western Main Line. Here it passes under the Palm Beach Lakes Boulevard Bridge and then through the CP West Palm Beach crossovers. And here it is, arriving into the West Palm Beach station. Several minutes later, a northbound train, the Palm Beach's Wrap, had arrived at the station and was now ready to depart toward Orlando. In the distance here, past the running repair facility, you can see the CP Northwood crossovers. Our next stop is at the Earman River Bridge. Here's the Kissimmee Wrap headed northbound. It's been a couple of years since I've made a video here, so here's a quick recap of the work done here. The existing Florida East Coast Railway Bridge, which is on the east side here, had been deemed to be in good enough condition to continue being used, so only one new bridge was built here for the new Western Main Line. This curve to the south has been broadened with the track shifting west to allow for the higher speeds of Brightline. Prior to construction, the single mainline track was along the far left edge of the ballast seen here, with a much sharper curve. We continue north to near PGA Boulevard in Palm Beach Gardens. Here's the southbound bright green. It is passing over the Kyoto Gardens Drive crossing here before passing under PGA Boulevard. Just before the RCA Boulevard crossing, the train passes under a high-wide defect detector. The next stop is in Hobe Sound. Here we see the Orlando Wrap as it finishes passing through Jonathan Dickinson State Park and then passes under US 1 northbound. The train has to slow down significantly to take this curve before starting to accelerate back up to 110 miles per hour past it. The next two catches in this area are from the ground. The first north of Bridge Road, and the second at the curve north of State Road A1A. Here is bright red southbound. Here is Florida East Coast Railway Local Train 903, carrying intermodal from the Port of Palm Beach north to Fort Pierce, where it will be picked up by a road train to Jacksonville overnight. The final location is in Jensen Beach. We start here with FEC train 193, with a train of empty waste management waste containers headed from Fort Pierce to Miami to be loaded. Now here's the Kissimmee Wrap passing southbound. It is crossing over the Jensen Beach Boulevard crossing here. In the distance is the CP Rio crossovers. Our last train is the Orlando Health Wrap, northbound. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.